What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 2Bit Crypto here. Now, if you were in my live stream, we got that potential breaking news of an XRP ETF. Now, there was a debate whether this was actually going to turn up or whether BlackRock were truly going to file it. Well, it turned out it all to be a scam. But is this bad news? Are we truly going to get an ETF? We're going to kind of break it down for you all in this video, and equally what could be coming for XRP. So make sure if you're in the XRP army, you subscribe to the channel. We talk about XRP as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency market every single day. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure you smash a like on the video. And with that being said, let's take a look at the overall market. So as you would expect, on the back of any kind of fake news, we saw it with that Bitcoin spot ETF, we see a market push down. So the current market capitalization around 1.39 trillion, down nearly 2% in the last 24 hours. Now, Bitcoin looks like it's fallen to about 36,500, holding there right now. You can see down about 1.7 on the week. And XRP, after a gigantic move, it was about 14% at one point, down back around that 6.5 level, down about 1.39. So probably in line with the market, but look at the volume, just under $3 billion in volume. So what am I talking about? Well, we got this. This started to circulate as I went live on crypto, Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, which was an iShares XRP trust. And as with everything, we see everyone starting to retweet it. The huge amount of excitement and FOMO that goes into any kind of announcement like this saw the market move. And then we saw a significant push up in the market. So this is on my Twitter account. If you're not following me, definitely come over and follow me. So I actually put this out, a massive move. This was the kind of candle that we got, this expectation dropping up to the 7.2s as a big amount of volume started to spike into XRP. As you then work through the rest of it, it turned out to be a false claim. BlackRock themselves coming out and stating that this was not the case. And I guess the point here is to understand that, yes, albeit we want to see an XRP ETF, it absolutely will drive excitement into the market. The reality is they are still in an investigation. They're still under a case with the SEC. So it would kind of be a bit crazy that we would get that case. Now, more importantly though, just to kind of context what this looks like, to actually file something like this in the state of Delaware does require a number of different parts. It requires witnesses and it requires a lot of information that goes into it. So this just isn't some random Gmail account that sent a ETF over to the state of Delaware. This actually has been filed. You can go to the website, you can put that file number in. It is there. This is in the truest of sense, a filing as it were, but that is all. This has got no link to BlackRock. There's no kind of bit on the back of it, but this is an official filing. It has been filed with the state of Delaware. Now that means that people can be traced, that means people can be tracked, and ultimately therefore we can find out what actually went on. But it doesn't end there when we talk about XRP. It really doesn't, and it feels like every day we bring more and more information to you guys. So like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel for all of that good stuff. We also got this coming out from James K. Filing. Judge Torres has set the schedule regarding remedies discovery and briefing. Now remember, this was to do with the settlement agreement and how the SEC and XRP move forward. Obviously, they submitted all their proposal. It says the court has reviewed the parties' letter dated November 9th. Accordingly, by Feb 12th, the parties shall complete remedies related discovery. By March 13th, plaintiff shall file its brief with respective to remedies. April 12th, the defendant shall file its opposition. And April 29th, the plaintiff shall file its reply, if any. And that is so ordered, Judge Annalisa Torres. So one step closer to a potential settlement, or equally getting the court case done. And I think there is so much riding with XRP, so much kind of on the cusp of about to move. I think this is a good thing. And again, we just need to get this done and dusted, and then we can officially move on. What we do know though is XRP continues its bullish momentum, and again we've rallied from that kind of 4.7, 4.8 all the way up to currently at the 6.5 level, and the trading volume there around 101 billion. So we do know there's excitement. We do know that people continue to try and stack XRP ahead of what might come down the line. Obviously, this gives us a true sense of what's on the sidelines, waiting to get into these ETFs, waiting to buy into cryptocurrency. Think about what that looked like for the 30 minutes or so we expected this to be a real news article. Does give me real excitement to think about what is going to flow into the market, particularly when you get these market pushdowns that we have now across the board. It gives you an opportunity to maybe DCA into a project or increase your bag. But even XRP is starting to look very much like a good bullish move. So what do we got in terms of price? Obviously, right now we're in a downward trajectory. We are in a downward trend, albeit breaking just below the 20 and the 50-day EMA. Now, what we are looking for here is this So what we're looking for here is this top red line here and this yellow line maintaining distance. We do not want to see the red line cross below this yellow line. That would give us a bearish divergence and then expect a price decline. If anything, we want to come and retest this higher range of around the kind of 6665 range and then follow the movement up. BTC looks like it's trying to have a bit of a move bouncing off that 50-day EMA. So right now we are in a critical point for price action when it comes to both XRP as well as the wider cryptocurrency market. You can see a lot of red out there, and that's that massive spike that came in, like we said, topping around 75 cents. But overall, XRP on the macro looking actually very good. You can see this long-term move, and likewise if we go into the daily, you can see that actually from this low at the bottom here, we have been in a continuous upward trend when it comes to XRP. Yes, this was obviously the grayscale news and equally that ETF news that we got a while back. This is, again, shows you the potential that could come in to the market. So XRP, I'm still incredibly bullish on. I know a lot of people out there are, and if you're bullish on XRP, you want to see more content like this, you know what to do. Smash the like button. Just tell me that you enjoy this content and to bring it out more. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 20k by the end of the year. But let me know what you think in the comments of all of this fake ETF news. Did you think it was real, or did you know all along that it was just a big fake move? As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.